What's up, people? Today we checking out the Lumary RGBAI Smart Pathway Light Pro. Now these are retailing for $269 on Amazon. Right now they actually have an $80 coupon, which will bring it down to about $190. So we're going to go ahead, unbox it, see what comes in the box, and then we're going to go outside and get them installed. So let's go ahead and check them out. First have our instruction manual. Now these lights are pretty hefty. So this looks like it's made out of a metal. See, you have your threads here at the bottom. See if I can get that in focus for you. That's your threads here at the bottom. And the size of these lights are pretty big. Now, these have 2 lights per unit. There's 4 different units, so a total of 8 lights. These can rotate. So pretty much 360 degrees of rotation on each light. So you can get a little bit creative on how you had these set up. I'm not sure how I'm gonna set these up yet, but we'll get to that when I get outside. And on each light, you see you have these connectors, these weatherproof connectors. This is IP65 water resistant. Comes with 48 feet of wire, and like I said, there's 4 in each box. All right, so let's go outside and get these set up. All right, so now that it's nighttime, I'm gonna give you an idea of some of the things this lighting kit can do. So I'm gonna go ahead into the app, go to Lumary. Right now I have it on white, but let's get into the exciting part, which is the color. So if I go here, I can switch the color to blue. I do green, red, and it really lights up the house pretty good. A lot more than I thought it would. They also have these scenes where you can see they have like different rotations of the light, which is pretty cool. So chase, it's a rainbow, it's a flow. Gradient. You can jump. Get your breathing. And your blink, which is pretty dramatic. So I'm gonna go back to just a solid color. Let's just go to blue. And I think I like it like that. You also can sync this up to music if you want. And you can set a timer like I have set here. So it's set to come on at, turn off at 6 a.m. and turn on at 8 p.m. And it's pretty much set it and forget it. So if you have any more questions about this lighting kit, drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to them. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm going in. It's cold.